Hello vegan adventurers, welcome to the exciting adventure from Costa Rica, and today we're gonna be exploring the Manzanillo Nature Reserve. Let's get into the vlog. The Manzanillo Nature Reserve is about 13 kilometers from Puerto Viejo town. The entrance is just donations and the first part goes along the beach. After about 700 meters you get to this viewpoint called Miss May Point. From here you get nice 180 view of the Caribbean Sea and also the little island in the front. Scenery was perfect for flying a drone, and luckily there are not many people here, so I decided to fly. Unfortunately, something was wrong with the camera gimbal. It was shaking too much, so a lot of the good footage was not usable, and I wasn't flying for as long as I wanted to. After the viewpoint, we descended down to this beach just on the right side. It's a warning not to swim here because of the strong currents, but I see that even getting into the sea would be a big trouble as you have a lot of sharp corals and rocks here. At least there is a nice view of these little islands and the waves crashing into it, so I'm just gonna try to fly a drone one more time. But I'm afraid the camera gimbal won't be working properly again. So you saw even from those two short drone clips, you can see the shakiness of the camera gimbal. It's pretty disappointing. I wanted to get some cool footage from the drone of these waves crashing into these rocks. After the beach, the path started to go more through the jungle, where we started to see some really big trees. Over here we got to this crossroad where you can go on the left 200 meters to some cave, or on the right to some other beach 1 kilometer. So we're gonna first check out the cave. So there is another beautiful view from this beach, and the cave is just behind this cliff on the right side. But the access to the cave is not easy because the waves are splashing here all the time. You need to climb over to another rock to get to the cave, which requires some climbing skills, and you need to do it quickly before the water washes you out. So it's pretty amazing how they're able to protect this area so close to the beach from deforestation. When we first saw the scale of deforestation near the Irazu volcano and on the uphills all the way to the Caribbean, we thought that it's everywhere like that, but here they're really taking it seriously. This area around Puerto Viejo has been so far my favorite in Costa Rica. Here the camera on the drone was working properly again, so I was getting closer to the island we were flying before, but I didn't have enough battery to record some better shots. Alright, here we're continuing the hike to the other beach, and along the way we see some interesting vegetation, including some amazing big trees that you don't see that often in Europe or even in Costa Rica. Here we got overtaken by some young guys, immediately thinking of some stereotypical dangerous South American guys. I was careful if they're gonna rob us or something, but at the end nothing happened. So we decided to return from that point down there because it started to be really muddy and it will take just too much time to get to the beach, so we're just gonna enjoy some of the beaches back here. Way back we did some little loop and we discovered this huge tree which must be at least a few hundred years old. Just 300 meters before the exit, you can take another path that takes you to this amazing bridge. Here we also heard some howling of monkeys, but we couldn't see them. Alright adventurers, thanks for watching another amazing adventure from Costa Rica. Stay tuned for more adventures, and as always, stay healthy
and stay adventurous.